Nakakahinga na ako ng malalim. That was intense. After busy hour, like morning non-stop back-to-back schedule. So I didn't have time to check my phone. So I didn't have time to check my social media accounts. And then I'm done. And I tried to check it if someone messaged me. And guess what? I can't get into my Facebook and Instagram account. I'm like, are you serious? Akala ko nag-error lang ulit ang Facebook or ang Instagram kasi it happened last time that we can't log in. But nope, it's ang Facebook account ko, no way, like hindi talaga ako makalog in. It says unable to log in. Wala ding option na forget something, forget username, forget your password. It's only create an account. So why is that? Di ko alam. So I went through my Instagram. So pinag-login din ako, which is naka-login naman ako, but ang nalagay na doon is suspended. You have 180 days to appeal. Sabi. So, okay. So, ini-scroll up ko konti. I'm like, paano ko siya i-appeal? Like, walang link, walang like tab or anything para makapunta ka kung paano mag-appeal. So, meron doon nakalagay na download your information. So, yun lang yung pwede kong gawin. So, download your information. So, trinay kong clinic yun. Nagpakita yung like email address at saka yung email address ng Facebook ko and yung username ko ng Instagram. Pero tinatanong doon yung password mo ng Instagram. Tapos yung email address na gamit ko sa Facebook is hindi ko na siya ma-access. So pag clinic ko yon, nilagay ko yung Instagram password ko, hindi siya mag-go through kasi not accessible daw yung email address kong yon. So, nag-worry na ako ng bongga. I'm like, how? What would I do? So, I started to search. Ginugol ko na lahat-lahat, like for an hour. Dami ko nang pinanood, dami ko nang nabasa kung bakit nangyari yun. So, sabi doon nangyari doon kasi maybe you violate. And maybe someone is trying to access your account, blah, blah, blah. So ang naisip ko na lang noon is palitan ko na lang yung aking, trinay ko pa palang i-retrieve yung email address ko na yon, but it's totally gone, deleted. Wala na daw talaga dun sa Yahoo Mail ko. So, what I did is, trinay kong palitan yung email address ko na yung accessible email address. So, linagay ko yon and lagay ko yung password ko dun sa Instagram, nag-go through naman. So, nag-send sila ngayon ng link doon sa email na yon. So, inopen ko, nagpunta siya doon sa app, nag-direct siya sa app, pero pag-click ko sa app, dinirect ulit niya ako doon sa browser. So, nung pag-click ko sa browser, doon na ako natuwa, guys, kasi meron na yung appeal button. I'm so happy. So, nakita ko na yung appeal. I'm so happy, though I know, hindi ko alam kung hanggang ilang araw or hindi ko alam ilang oras or ilang araw bago sila mag-respond. So, inas nila ako to upload a photo. So, doon sa upload photo, may options doon. So, ang unang option is take photo from your gallery and then take a selfie. So, what I did, I took a selfie. Every time I confirm my identity in anything, I always use selfie. I don't know why I do that, but that makes sense na selfie gamitin mo kasi for sure kung ang gamitin mong button is from gallery, maybe they gonna ask again another verification. Kasi kung selfie, ikaw na mismo yun, right? Makes sense? So yeah, so nag-send ako ng selfie and then click continue. And then, nagre-read lang siya. And then, sabi niya doon, oh wait, we're confirming your identity. Okay. So, walang oras doon. Kailan ko kaya malalaman? And then, trinay ko ulit i-open yung Facebook ko, guys. Tapos yun, na-open ko na agad without putting my password. Pero may face detection ako. So, yun lang. Diba? Ang saya ako. So, guys, kung mangyari sa inyo yun, kung masuspend yung account nyo, na wala naman talaga kayong nilabag at alam yung account nyo talaga yon, don't worry. Makukuha nyo yun. If anything happen like that, I'm here. Contact me. I can help you. I think that's my thing. If something happened like that, I would never gonna stop. I have to figure out why. I always ask why in anything anyway, in general life. I said, why? That's me. So yeah, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung violation ko dun, guys. Hindi ko alam. Kasi picture lang naman yung inasa akin, yung identity ko lang talaga. So, I have a feeling maybe someone is trying to log in. And I don't know, hacking or something. I don't know. Not sure about that. But I'm happy now because it's back to normal. I miss you guys for a couple of hours. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend. Bye. Mwah.